Today, we will see what is factorization. Many students get confused between factorization and prime factorization. Let me clarify the difference. The definition says that factorization is the method of expressing a natural number as the product of its factors. Got it? Let us understand the definition of factorization with an example. Factorization of 12. We know that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, 12 can be expressed as the product of its factors in different ways. Observe here, 12 can be expressed as the product of 1 and 12. Also, 12 can be expressed as the product of 2 and 6. Also, 12 can be expressed as the product of 3 and 4. Each of these expressions represents the factorization of 12. Got it? Remember, factorization includes 1. Factorization of a natural number is not unique. A natural number can have more than one factor pair or more than one factorization. Got it? Tomorrow, we will see the difference between factorization and prime factorization. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.